All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. I got up early and I went to tinker around with the project because I figured out what was going on with the grass situation. So I was in the wrong environment again. So make sure that we are able to add grass to this environment here. Same way I tried to do it yesterday, but now we're in the right environment. So I'm not going to just click on this, drag and drop, and you'll be able to see once it goes over here. And I ain't recording, so of course it's going to slow down. We're going to drag the grass, drop it, and it should come across our screen here. So you can see we have grass here. So the reason why it wasn't added yesterday is because we were in the wrong environment. That's the same issue we had when we tried to do the learning agents inside that initial environment. So I'm thinking that environment is just for staging, and we can't do anything in it. So I'm going to go back and try to open up the learning environment for the training agents and the right environment and see if we can move forward with that without having to stop the progress in the Unreal Engine. But you can see here we do have grass on our play field here. All we have to do now is just rebuild our arena on top of this here, and we'll be right back where we left off at. I know it'll be building the arena for the third time, the exact same structure, but now we're in the right environment. We can add our grass, we can add our clouds, we can add everything else we need, as you can see here. We're going to move forward. I'm just going to work on this all day, and of course I will keep you posted. Of course, it's the Python Poppy, and you guys stay Gucci.